Today I'm in our production line and I'm going to show you a very cool smart vending machine. This is the machine I'm going to show you today. The machine has a 22-inch touch screen, fuel acceptor, coin machine. Now let's open the door and have a look at the configuration inside. Here is an elevator and the goods trays are all direct push slots. Press down this button, we can move this ball backwards. We can adjust the width of each slot freely. As you can see, there are many holes here and at the back side here. There is a screw here to fix the slots. We can take off this screw and then take out the whole push slot and then adjust the width as you like. Now let's have a look at the vending app on the screen. You see that there's a product detail button here. Now let's click this button and have a look. Here you see the detailed introduction of this product, which will provide the users the feeling of shopping online. Now let me show you how to buy. Insert the cash. You see I just insert $5 here. Click to pay. Now the product is being delivered. There's an electrical lock here. Now I can open the door, close the door. If you want to know more information, welcome to contact us. Thank you.